What are markets pricing in? Our next guest says both investors and policymakers have to adjust to a new framework, and they still have not. Dan Clifton is here. He's partner and head of policy research at Strategas, a Baird company. Dan, welcome. Is this your reference to the 1980s, or what's the new framework?
It is. I mean, but if you just take the three headlines today, the Treasury Borrowing Advisory Committee, the Ukraine-Israel aid, and the Fed decision, they're all interlinked. And the reason is that once the Berlin Wall went down, the framework changed here in Washington. Low inflation, low interest rates, low debt servicing costs, less geopolitical volatility. All of that is being thrown out the window right now. And the dividend that we received from the Berlin Wall falling is now starting to reverse itself. So now we got high inflation, higher interest rates, higher debt servicing costs, more austerity, and the people who don't like America are challenging us geopolitically and trying to stress us out while our budget is strained. And so that's why you see these big squabbles going on. How should we fund Israel? Should we pay for it? And you know what? We have Treasury Borrowing Advisory Committee funding today, borrowing estimates. It doesn't include $100 billion for Ukraine and Israel.
No, but you know what's interesting about this?
So as those demands come in, we're going to have to adjust.
I think that's so well said. But one of the interesting wrinkles in this is the reason why Treasury wants this higher than normal cash balance is also because of the government shutdowns and the debt ceiling.
Yes.
So, it's because of the deficit, but it's also because they need higher reserves than they once did. If we could get to this idea of no more shutdowns and no more debt ceiling fights, they might be able to reduce that and actually take some pressure off of the market right now.
And I would add to that, though, if we have a geopolitical crisis, I want that cushion there. If we have a COVID-like event, we need that cushion there. So it's more than just government shutdowns and debt ceiling. They should have a cushion. The question is, though, should we be running $2 trillion deficits with a 3.5% unemployment rate? The federal spending is 24% of GDP. We got to see that come down because we'll never have enough tax revenues to be able to meet that. And so that's the challenge for us. And so for 25 years, we've been able to cut taxes, increase spending. Everybody was happy. And now we're starting to have the debate. The candy has to be offset with the spinach, and it's really hard to do politically. And that's the fight we're having. And we call this budget trench warfare. But you know what? The House is going to pass a bill. The Senate then has the option to do what they want to do. And then they got to sit in a room and get together. That's the way we've always done it. And there's this fear this morning about, oh, the House is going to do this, and we're all over the place. We will get this done. We will get it done. It won't be easy. It will actually be quite ugly. But I do think we'll get most of this done.
Likely there will be a government shutdown in the middle of the month?
So I'm at a consensus on this. I don't think there will be a government shutdown on November 17th. We just had a House of Representatives shutdown for 22 days. That was our show. So now we're going to go out and we're going to say, do we extend continuing resolution? We're going to have a debate about whether it's December, or January, or April. If the Republicans are unified in the House, they'll be able to kick it out to April. They'll be able to line it up to the sequestration spending cuts.
It's a big if, though, because for some of them, this fight over the Speaker was itself a fight over these constant CRs instead of the ability to go through all the bills one by one.
Exactly. But they need time to be able to pass those appropriations. So they want to build in time. They don't want to be jammed up. But over the last 36 hours, there's been this view building. We're going to waste so much political capital, the new speaker's political capital, on Israel, Ukraine, border security, that by the time that's done, then you got to get to the CR. And it's going to be tough. So that's why I say we're entering budget trench warfare. Each fight in itself is going to be a fight. And we got to just kind of resolve and work through this.
All right, Dan, thank you very much.
Great.
Dan Clifton, we appreciate your time
Thank
today.
you for having me.
Thanks for coming on.